Ugh. 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 Oh, man.
Sorry, bud?
That one hurt.
What'd you do?
Oh, I slid out. Like, real bad.
Man.
I don't know what happened. I think my front end washed out. Oh, that hurt my shoulder.
You good?
Yeah, my shoulder hurts a little bit. You need to get a chest
Here,
protector.
hold my bike. I'll get it.
I hope my lever isn't messed up. Oh, man. She's muddy now.
Let me start it.
Let me ride this.
I'll let you ride it in a little bit, alright?
I'm excited to ride the big old two-stroke. Ah, man. Oh, my shoulder. Oh man. Oh my knee. My knee. My knee. My knee.
Knee?
My knee.
What happened?
Oh my god, it ended me and I got thrown
You did what?
over the handlebars. Oh.
Hey guys, future me here, and I just want to explain what happened in that clip and the outcomes of the crash. So, if you made it this far, thank you for watching, and leave a like. But, so Grayson went out on the pitter, so he was flying through the track, so then I got on my 250, and obviously I'm on 250, I was flying, so we're just riding, and we're going up the on-off, and he brakes, and then I think he's stopping, like, to wait for me or something, so I get on my front brake and my rear brake, and coming off the lip of the on-off, which basically sent me into an endo, and then there's a bump at the end, so my front tire hit that bump, sent me over the handlebars. I don't know what happened, like, at the end. The 250 just took flight and did a flip over me, and then, I don't know, it was history from there, but the outcome is I now have 6 stitches in my knee because the foot peg went through my my pants. My pants aren't ripped though. That's the weird thing. But I got 6 stitches now from it. But Moral of the story is you always want to wear your gear. If I would have been wearing knee pads, this probably wouldn't happen, and the outcome could have been highly avoided. But I didn't want to wear knee pads, so I crashed, and now I have 6 stitches in my leg. So, but thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.